Hey guys, if you're trying to play Roblox but you're just unable to join a game, then stick around as in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a few ways you can solve this issue. Now, as there are multiple reasons that could be preventing you from joining games, it's impossible to give a one solution fits all. So instead, I'm just going to give you all of the solutions that I found, and you will need to try these steps one by one. So the first thing you will need to do is make sure you are using the most up-to-date version of your internet browser. For example, I am using Google Chrome, and we can check if we are using the most up-to-date version by tapping these three little dots here, and then coming down to Settings. And then we want to scroll all the way down to About Chrome. And then as you can see here, I'm running the latest version. If you are using a different browser, you would just need to search online for the steps on how to check you are running the most up-to-date version of your browser. Additionally, if updating your browser doesn't work, you can actually try installing and using a different internet browser, just to see if that resolves the joining games issue. The next thing we can try to do is uninstall the Roblox app and then reinstalling it. To do this, we want to come over to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key and then searching for the word app. And then we want to select Auto Remove Programs, and then from here we want to use the search box to search for the Roblox. And we want to make sure we select Roblox Player and not Roblox Studio, and we want to select these three little dots and hit uninstall. And then once we've uninstalled the app, to reinstall it, we simply need to head over to roblox.com/download, and then just click on this big download button. Once you've finished downloading the app, you can then try to rerun it to see if it fixes the issue. Now, another reason why you may be unable to play games on Roblox is due to outdated or corrupt cache data. If that's the case, clearing the Roblox app cache on your device will fix this issue. So how we do this on a Windows computer is we first open up the Start menu by pressing the Windows key again, and then we need to search for Run. And then from here we need to type in %, local app data, %, /temp, and then hit OK. Now from this folder we need to find the Roblox folder, and then once selected we just hit the trash icon at the top here to delete it. Now whilst we're doing this step, we can also clear our cache data on our internet browser. So to do this, just come over to your internet browser and select the three little dots in the right corner, and then we just simply want to select Clear Browsing Data. And then make sure all three of these are selected, so browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cache images and files. And then just come over to Clear Data. Another effective fix if you're on a computer is to make sure your date and time on your computer are synced correctly, as sometimes an incorrect clock and date can lead to joining issues. To do this, we just want to come over to the Task menu and right-click on the date at the bottom here and select Adjust Date and Time. And then we just want to scroll down and we want to make sure Set Time Automatically is toggled to On. And hopefully by now your issue should be fixed, but if you still are encountering an issue, the last thing we can do is check the Roblox servers to make sure everything is fully operational. To do that, we simply need to head over to a web browser and we need to type in status.roblox.com. And then what you should see here is a page where there's a green bar which says all systems operational. If there is an issue with the servers, it will be listed here, and you will need to wait for Roblox to fix the issue before you're able to play the game. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. If you're still experiencing an issue, comment below, and I'll try my best to assist you. Until next time.